Halloween is almost there. Let's crochet this cute cool slide for Halloween decoration. Please check tools and materials needed on the description. I use polyester yarn and crochet hook size 3. Let's begin with the slip knot and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now join the chain with a slip stitch. On the first round, we will increase in each of the loops. It means 2 single crochet in each loop. So we will have total of 12 stitches in the first round. We will go to the second round without slip stitch here. So we will increase in the first loop of round 2. Don't forget to place a stitch marker in the first loop of round 2 here. And then continue 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 loops. 1, 2. Repeat the pattern 4 times. So we will have 16 stitches on the second round. Let's move on the next round. On the round 3, we will make a single crochet in each of 3 loops. So 1, 2, and the third 3. Okay, don't forget to place the stitch marker on the first loop of round 3, and then we increase in the 4th loop. Repeat this pattern until the end of round 3. I'll see you in the end. We are on round 4 now. Make 6 single crochet. And then increase 6 single crochet again, increase, and 1 single crochet in each of the last 6 stitches. So we have total of 22 stitches on round 4. Do increase in the first loop of round 5, and don't forget to place your stitch marker back on the first loop. Continue with 11 single crochet. and then increase, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 9 loops. So we have the total of 24 stitches on the round 5. Round 6 to 11, we will just make a single crochet in each loop.
Perfect.
Round 12 is the last round. Make extended single crochet cluster on the first loop of round 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 extended single crochet in the first loop. In the second and the third loop, we just do slip stitch. Here on the next loop, we do 3 extended single crochet and continue it with 2 slip stitches. So here 4 extended single crochet and here 3 extended single crochet. Repeat this pattern until the end of round 12. Yay, it's done. Let's cut the yarn and hide the tail. Please watch the video carefully for the next step, okay? Yay! It's done! Happy Halloween everyone! Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like crochet and craft, you can subscribe to this channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!